Hello everyone. If I were to ask you name 5 diseases which you are absolutely scared to imagine, I'm sure you would include a brain tumor in that, right? But should you be really that scared about all the brain tumors? Or are there a few which are probably less dangerous than the others? Let's try to find out in today's video about myths and facts of brain tumors. The incidence of brain tumors in India varies from 5 to 10 per every lakh population. But what's really worrisome is the complexity and hence the expenditure involved in the treatment of it. By complexity, I mean both in terms of skill as well as the equipment and infrastructure required in a neurosurgical operation theatre. Now, this is responsible for a relatively higher cost in the private sector, leading to overburden on the government sector, which may be responsible for delay in the treatment. But that could be disastrous in case of a brain tumor. Misinformation and fear also play an important role in delaying the diagnosis as well as treatment in case of brain tumor. So these are few of the myths which are very famous regarding brain tumor. Myth number 1. Brain tumor is same as brain cancer. Fact. No. Many of the brain tumors are benign, not malignant, that is not cancerous. Brain tumors are graded from grade 1 to grade 4 by the WHO. Higher the grade, worse the outcome. Myth number 2. Brain tumors affect only elderly. Fact. No. Infants, children, adults, middle-aged, elderly, everyone can have brain tumors. Of course, different types of brain tumors are seen in different age groups. Myth number 3. All the brain tumors present with headache, vomiting and seizures. Fact. No. Brain tumors can present with so many symptoms like vision problems, hearing problems, speech problems, balancing problems, weakness of the hands, legs, etc. Headache, vomiting, seizures may or may not be there. And some of the brain tumors may be absolutely asymptomatic till they reach a certain size. Myth number 4. All the brain tumors need operation. Fact. No. Some of the small sized benign brain tumors may be managed by a type of radiation called as gamma knife therapy. And some of the brain tumors may be managed only by giving radiotherapy without the operation if the location of the tumor is in the most critical area of the brain, that is brain stem. Myth number 5. Brain tumor operations are too risky and hence the diagnosis of brain tumor is a lethal blow to the life of a patient. Fact. As mentioned earlier, many of the brain tumors are benign and have a very good chance of recovery and even cure. Modern neurosurgical techniques are very safe and advances in technology like microscopic, endoscopic procedures, neuronavigation, neuromonitoring and usage of equipments like modern day high-speed drill, CUSA have aided in decreasing the complication rate associated with neurosurgical procedures. Myth number 6. Operative procedure for brain tumor removal reverses the neurological deficit that is already found, maybe like blindness. Fact. This is one of the common misconceptions in patients and relatives of the patients who come for brain tumor operation. Well, there may be a few deficits which may reverse after the operation depending on the type and duration of the damage. But as I mentioned earlier in one of my videos about stroke, most of the time damage to brain is permanent and the goal is to prevent further damage. Hence underlying the importance of timely treatment. Well, these were some of the myths that I had come across while interacting with the patients. I'm sure there may be many more, and if you know any, let me also know by mentioning in the comment below. So, I hope you liked today's video. If so, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and for more health and wellness related videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.